What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. I promised you a demonstration of Syllaby, so here it is. All right, so I was comparing Copycopter with Syllaby. If you guys know of any other AI video generation softwares for shorts, I would love to know. Just leave your comments below. Now, I used Copycopter last month, and I was able to grow one of my channels to 1,000 subscribers using Copycopter, and then I saw Syllaby. I tried Syllaby. Syllaby has a free trial. Copycopter no longer has a free trial. That's what I love about Syllaby. I did grow one of my channels plus 200 subscribers 2 days ago with those free videos. So I decided to go ahead and purchase Syllaby and then show you guys how it works. Now, Syllaby's generations are going to be a little bit better than Copycopter's. That's in my experience. All right, so here we are on the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a menu. You can discover ideas. You can reel clone yourself. And this is a video editor. And then we have publish, ready to publish, connect. Okay, this is where you connect your social media accounts. So this is cool. And here are my videos. I've created a few videos already. Calendar, here's where you add your social accounts. We're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and create a video. So you can do an avatar video, you can do a photo avatar video. I'm not really sure what that is. And then the faceless video, this is the one I'm going to be creating right now. So here we are in the faceless video dashboard. So I already have an idea of what I want to do. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked it to give me some popular unsolved mystery stories, and it gave me Amelia Earhart. So we're just going to use this. Now, in Syllaby, it looks like you can use the AI script assistant. So if you have an idea, like if I just typed in Amelia Earhart, then it would give me a script. But since ChatGPT already gave me a script, I'm going to plug that in. And it's showing me that it's 53 seconds long, and the estimated credits that I'm going to use is 13 credits. All right, so it looks like its language is English. We can do English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. Subtitle, just like Copycopter, has all similar options. Voices, let's hear Jeremy.
Love is a serious...
Okay, well, not bad.
Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude.
Oh, I really like that. That one sounds really good.
Hi there, I'm Archie. If you're after a young, energetic...
Well, already I can hear that the voices seem to be a little bit better than Copycopter's.
Allow the world to live.
Cool.
The years teach much, which the...
Okay.
Our distrust is very...
So anyway, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but my goodness, look at all these voices. This is pretty amazing. So let's hear George.
God has given you one face, and you make yourself another.
Oh, I like George. We're going to use George. Let's click on George. So here he is. We want our video less than 1 minute for a reel or short. This is important to stay under the 1 minute mark, especially if you're doing a YouTube short. Anything over 1 minute, your content will be cut off. But guys, check this out. You can do long form videos on here, 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minute long form video. That's pretty amazing. So your objective, and I think I mentioned this in the last video, your objective is to get your subscribers through shorts, and then you'll need to get your watch hours through your long form videos. That seems to be the formula that's working for most. So once you get your shorts done, I would come back and try a couple long form videos if this program is right for you. So far so good. Let's go ahead and generate this video. Okay, I already generated the video, but I wanted to come back here and show you the different models that Syllaby offers. I generated the Amelia Earhart video in action movie. There's ancient fairy tale, animated cartoon, fantasy, art deco, old camera, black and white, cinematic realism, comic book, retro illustration, crime movie, cyberpunk, dark fantasy, digital anime, digital art, realistic cartoon, vaporwave, futuristic, Greek mythology, horror, fantasy, hyperrealism, and ancient Egypt. So I think it really depends on your niche and your theme, but Syllaby has a ton of models here that you could use. And like I mentioned before, the generations seem to be a little bit better than Copycopter's. So let's just take a look at the video right now. All right, here it is.
On July the 2nd, 1937, renowned aviator Amelia Earhart vanished during her attempt to fly around the world. Earhart and her navigator, Fred Noonan, were last heard from while flying over the Pacific Ocean near Howland Island. Despite extensive search efforts, neither the plane nor their remains have ever been found. Theories about their disappearance range from a crash into the ocean due to navigational errors, to more exotic ideas such as capture by the Japanese or even survival on an uninhabited island. While artifacts have been discovered on the remote Nikomaroro Island that some suggest could be linked to Earhart, definitive evidence has yet to surface, leaving the world to speculate on what truly happened to the pioneering aviator.
All right, I think it did a phenomenal job with the quality of the generations. Now, I wasn't happy with some of those images, and you probably saw the same thing. So I would go in here and edit the images. Let me just show you how to do that real quick. So here are the images, and these two images, I don't really like it. This looks like it's a sinking airplane in the sky, so that one doesn't work. And there's a man standing. I don't know what this is supposed to be. And this one's kind of weird too. So we could go in here and regenerate these, and I'm not going to. So you just type in, add your context and regenerate. So 0 free. So generations do cost a credit, and I'm not going to do these right now. But let's just scroll through these. So the reason why these shorts work so well is that they're entertaining, they're engaging, there are transitions, the captions are cool, and the idea is for when someone is watching your short, you want to keep them on the short as long as possible. And that is how one of your shorts is going to go viral, right? It's how entertaining and engaging is that video. And I think Copycopter and Syllaby do a decent job at keeping your audience engaged throughout these videos. We want to edit the video itself, because if you want to add music, this is where you're going to add some of the other stuff. Here's audio. If you want to upload music, it looks like, wow, looks like Syllaby has an extensive library of, well, I said extensive. It's not. It ends right here. It has a library of music. And as I had mentioned before, if you're doing long form videos, please avoid using these, because you will not be able to monetize your videos if you use someone else's music. I use Suno.ai, which I've mentioned that probably 100 times already, but it's copyright free and you technically own the music. So you'll be able to monetize your long form videos, and it does not matter that much on shorts. Shorts, you can use copyright music and still monetize those. And here you can upload your own files here. So text. So you can add titles. You can add information. So I don't like this. To be honest with you, I think it's a little confusing. You can add your own text and titles, and because it already creates the subtitles for you, you can add shapes, media. Okay, stock images. So this is a little confusing to me. So again, this is the first time I'm looking at this, but it doesn't really make sense because this video was done. And the other thing that's missing is I can't edit the captions. In Copycopter, I can edit the captions. I can edit the position, the color. I can edit the size, how many words are showing at one time. So I'm not seeing the option here. So I'm going to get out of here. I'm not going to add any music. I'm not going to add any text. I'm not going to add anything, because really I want to make this as simple as possible. I want the software. I'm paying for it, right? I want the software to do as much of it as possible for me. And I don't like over modifying if I don't have to, because that means I'm spending more time on this and I'm spending less time creating content for my channels. So it's not bad. Syllaby, good job with the generations. Your quality is definitely better than Copycopter, but Copycopter I think may win this one. Now I'm going to be playing around with this a little more. Again, I told you guys I purchased this one so I can create, I think, about 10 videos on this, and I'm going to create these videos and I'm going to give you an update of how it's working. But just right off the bat, it has less options, less functionality than Copycopter. Generations are better, but I would love to hear your opinion. If you have any thoughts on Syllaby and Copycopter, and if you have any other ideas of other software, please comment below. I'm going to leave the descriptions to Copycopter, to Syllaby, and to some other softwares that I'm using in the description below. And please like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when we release some new content. So thank you all so much. I've had some awesome conversations with all of you through the comments, and I encourage you to keep doing that. I will see you all on the next video.